This 2017 NuCamp TAB NUCAMP XL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used NuCamp is 13 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, TV, auxiliary battery, and 5 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2017 NuCamp TAB NUCAMP XL is 1,150 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.